Hello beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. And on this channel, I do jewelry DIYs, bead unboxing videos, and bead hauls. And today, I am going to be revealing to you what I got from the Orlando Intergalactic Bead Show. It was a lot of fun. It was beautiful beads. It was last weekend and I had a very nice time and of course spent some money. But I mean, I was actually like a kid in a candy store, like literally. I mean, all the beads and so much sparkle. I mean, so many beads, so little time, and definitely not enough money. Like I said, I bought some stuff. I had a good time. So anyway, I am going to show you what I got. So first off, we have these. Aren't these so pretty? These are Lampwork beads. So it's a nice long strand. I don't know the inches. I didn't measure and I don't think it said, but look at how pretty. I mean, look at these flowers. And we have like two different variations of the rose inside there. But just so pretty. I mean, especially for spring, this will be very nice. So I definitely have that to look forward to, you know, doing something with that. But very pretty. Okay, and next we have these beautiful glow glass beads or mermaid beads. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that glow. So pretty. And then I also have a strand like this. So these are matte beads, 10 millimeter. But look at how gorgeous that is. Even when I turn off the light, like these are still glowing. They just have this beautiful glow. And then this is a nice long strand. And they're both the same length. But so pretty. Okay, and then these three came from this vendor. Just to show you that, in case you want to check them out and see if you could get something. Okay? Okay, next we have these. And these are fluorite oval beads. Isn't that nice with the pretty greenish and purple, lavenderish? Very pretty. And again, this is a nice long strand as well. So very pretty. And then next we have these. And these are lavender faceted rondelles. But look at that. I mean, you know, I love the sparkle. So very pretty. And very pretty with this. Yeah, very nice. And then next we have purple lace agate. And these are natural gemstone, 8 millimeter. But look at how pretty that is. We got different color variations of the purple. It's so pretty. Okay, next we have these. Again with the sparkle. These are teardrop pearl shaped faceted crystals. Isn't that lovely? So pretty. Okay, and then these came from this vendor. Okay, and then these look so pretty together. If I wanted to make a necklace with these together, I think that looks really pretty. Okay, and then next, we have these. So these are so pretty. I mean, just that nice shimmery effect that it has. And these are glass beads, and it has an AB finish. And just a little fact, the AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which is a special iridescent metallic coating that gives the beads a shimmering rainbow-like effect. It's named after the natural phenomenon of the Northern Lights. This finish was developed by Swarovski and Christian Dior and creates a sparkly, color-changing surface on the beads. Very pretty. Look at these in the light. I mean, that is just beautiful. It's like a periwinkle blue, I'd say, but so pretty. And again, the same as the other, the glass bead with the AB finish. I mean, look at that beautiful rainbow effect. So pretty. And then I have one more of the same. Now look at these. I mean, it's beautiful. Red, orange, pink. Super pretty. And these are electroplated glass faceted rondelle. I mean, you know, I like to play with these in the light because that is just gorgeous. And then I also have these. So the same type, but beautiful, beautiful colors. Just shimmering in the light. And then also these. Beautiful. Look at that. I mean, that is just gorgeous. So pretty. Okay. Next, we have these. And these are tiger eye nugget beads. See, we have, let me bring it up. Lots of color variations of the brown in here. So we got dark brown and almost a grayish color and swirls of lighter brown. Very nice. And again, look at how long this strand is. So you definitely get your money's worth. So a nice value. But very pretty and would be very nice for fall. Next we have these ruby zalicite, and these are 8mm. But isn't that so pretty? The green with the purple, almost fuchsia, and different variations of the green. I love these colors together. It's so pretty. These beautiful blue, aqua, shimmery, and these are blue chalcedony faceted flat shaped gemstone. I mean, look at that. Super pretty. See, and I love the different color variations in there. So pretty. And super pretty. Then next we have these beautiful orange faceted crystals. Beautiful, and again, perfect for fall. These are carnelian agate, but very pretty. So many different color variations of that orange and cream and almost a brownish, reddish, and yellowish. Very nice. And super pretty with that. Look at how pretty. I'm going to have to do a fall inspired bracelet. Very nice. And then next we have these. And these are green aventurine faceted rounds. So pretty. And again, different color variations of the green. Super pretty. And super long. But again, would be very nice for fall. And then last but not least, we have pink jade. And these are 8mm. But look at that close up. It reminds me of watermelon. And this one even has purple in it. But we have the pretty hot pink with the green and creamish color. But very pretty. And again, very long. Okay, so here are the beads from this vendor. And I'm sorry to say that I do not have a business card from this vendor. I thought it was in the bag, but it's not. So I'm not sure exactly which vendor this was, but this was a very good deal with these beads. It was $3 a strand, and you buy 10 and you get 2 strands free. So of course I had to buy 10 of these. But yes, look at how pretty these are. I mean, just gorgeous. So anyway, that is all the items that I got from the Orlando Intergalactic Bead Show, because I encourage you to go. I mean, it was a good time, and like I said, so many beads, so little time. So yeah, check it out. Okay, so here's everything that I got from the Orlando Intergalactic Bead Show. I mean, everything is just beautiful. And I could have, obviously bought a whole lot more, but, you got to control yourself, and, you got to pay bills and, have a house. So, yeah. So anyway, but I had a good time. So I can't wait to create something with you guys using these beautiful beads. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.